Yeah,
too. So
I'll need some help.
Say your question one more time, please.
Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, are we ready? All right.
So scale of the operations here at Cordero Rojo, we run 2 large drag lines, 28750 Marions, a 123-yard machine and a 103-yard machine. We cast doughs. We move about 80,000 cubic yards of material a year. We move about 14 million tons of coal a year. So using MineScape, it makes it more efficient for us to get plans done and get it out to the equipment. Previously, before we had all the technology, there was a lot of paper, there was a lot of surveying. Now we can do drone surveying, we can dump it right into the software, and we can dump it right to the equipment. And we can do a lot of evaluation on a lot of data efficiently and quickly, and we can get it out to the operation.
It's very important to have modern tools to support everything that we do for design and decision making. MineScape provides a one-stop shop for all that we do, from the geological model all the way through to the day-to-day plans that get shipped out to the dozers and drag lines that we utilize to move the material. MineScape makes it easier for me as an engineer to be able to see what's going on. A lot of programs out there are just the top-down approach that have 2D polygons, stuff like that, and you don't get to see it. Utilizing different programs through my career, MineScape has always been, I would say, the Cadillac of mining programs. You have the ability to see everything in 3D. It's all real time that you can rotate, and you've got the capacity to see and do everything very, very quickly.
As a mining engineer, we come up with a plan. A lot of times plans need to change for whatever reason, equipment, weather. MineScape makes it easy to go back and redesign and resend out the plan. It's very easy to use, and I can run through multiple scenarios in a short amount of time.
MineScape's helped me save a lot of time on the drill and blast side of things. I went from other software where I have to manually import and draw each location of where I want the hole to be. What used to take me a week to kick out a pattern now only takes me an hour.
As far as the transition from what we did before till I was actually involved with MineScape, has been a huge improvement. I mean, right away you could see the benefit of it, the accuracy, how we design everything. It gives us a lot more information on our pad elevations, our spoil parameters, our high wall parameters, machine placement, everything we do. It's important that we have clear and decisive information for the draglines. It's been a huge advantage.
Datamine is more than just the software itself, it's a partnership. They've been with us since 2012. They listen to us, they get feedback, and they actually make improvements to the process, not just on the software side, but training and implementation of the stuff that we're doing. It's invaluable for a company that is spread out as we are across 3 states. They're with us, and we're really looking forward to their continued involvement in our process.